doesn't love desserts? I do, and you all know Bengali desserts are world famous. So my today's dessert is Malai chomchom, which is very popular recipe, and you need only two main ingredients for this: milk and sugar, and of course lemon to curdle the milk. Please come with me, let's see how it goes. So here I need 2 cups of milk, which is 500 milliliter. I will make 6 chomchom, and if you need more, then according to this you can change your measurement. So for only this chomchom I need 2 cups of milk. So when I'll be preparing malai, then I will add more milk. I'll let you know. And for this chomchom I need 1 cup of sugar with 3 cups of water and 1 lemon. To curdle the milk, I want this lemon. So what I'll do, I'll extract the lemon juice. So it will be around 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And with this I will be adding 1 tablespoon water. So while I'll be curdling the milk, I'll be using this. So yes, my ingredients are ready. Now I'll go to heat my milk. So I'm pouring 2 cups of milk here, and I'll be waiting till the milk comes to boil. It may take around 5 minutes. You need to stir your milk occasionally so that it doesn't stick to bottom. And it has been 3 minutes. My milk is on oven. So see, now the bubbles are coming, and I'll wait for another few seconds. Now I'll switch off the flame, and I'll wait till the all vapor goes. After that I will mix the lemon and water mixture to curdle the milk. If you add direct lemon mixture or direct vinegar, then your cottage cheese will be hard and you will not get soft chomchom with this. So now as the vapor is gone, then I'll be adding this lemon and water mixture, half of it, and I'll keep on stirring. You can see that the milk is curdling now. So what is the main process is that we are separating the fat part of this milk from the liquid one. At the end of this process we will get fat separated from the liquid. See, the greenish colored liquid is there. So here I have taken a plain strainer, and on top of that a cotton cloth or muslin cloth, and I'll be pouring this. Now I'll wash it with water because otherwise you will get the lemon flavor which we don't want inside our sweet. So we need to do like this to get rid of excess water. And we will hang it somewhere for around 15 minutes so that the excess water goes out from the cottage cheese. So after 10 minutes I get this consistency, solid cottage cheese. What I am doing now, I will be breaking the lumps inside this cottage cheese so that I will get a very smooth texture. So I need to do like this for around 5 minutes, and we need to use this part of our pump so that we will get a nice texture of my sweet. This part will make your sweet very smooth and very soft. One thing I need to mention here, that while you are using milk, it's always better to use full fat milk, but if you want you can use reduced fat like 2% fat milk as well, but it tastes better if you use full fat milk. So I have been kneading this dough for 5 minutes and now I'll check whether it's done. So I'll take a small ball and with my pump I'll be making small ball to see whether it's breaking or not. If it's not breaking, then it's done, and if it's still breaking, then I need to knead for another couple of minutes and then check. So yes, it's not breaking. You can see it's a smooth ball. And now with help of my pump I'll be giving this shape, chomchom shape.
Time to make the sugar syrup. I'll pour 3 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar.
And I'll wait till this sugar mixture comes to boil. I need not make any one string consistency or anything like this. I just need this water to boil. So I'll come after that. Now it's boiling. I'll be adding cardamom powder. It's optional. You may skip this one. I'll put these sweets inside this boiling water. Carefully, this will be very hot. And now I'll cover this. It will be in high flame for 10 minutes. So this has been boiling for 10 minutes and it's done. So I'll take this out. So this has become large, much larger than the previous size, almost doubled. So here my chomchoms are ready. They are very hot. They should be a bit cold. After that I'll pour the malai on top of it. So now the next step, we will be preparing the malai. Now I'll be making the malai. For this I have taken 1 cup of
milk,
and with this 1/4 cup of sugar. I'll mix this sugar and I'll reduce this milk to 1/3 of the actual quantity, and after that I'll show you the consistency which we need. So it will take me around 7 to 10 minutes. So I have been boiling it for 10 minutes, and you need to make sure that every time you need to stir this, otherwise your milk may burn. So this is my consistency.
Now I'll be adding cardamom powder for better flavor.
So I'm done. Now it's time to plate my malai chomchom. So now I need to take its sweet and squeeze the juice, that's the sugar mixture, by pressing it, but don't press much, then your sweet may break. And I will plate it here. Now I'll pour my malai on top of them. And garnish it with pista and saffron. So here my sweet is ready, malai chomchom. And now I'll taste it. This is very yummy and this is very tasty. You should try this.